powerful quotes about love that inspire and uplift. Love is not just a feeling, it's a choice we make every day to care for others. True love is selfless, giving without expecting anything in return, enriching both lives. Love is the bridge between two hearts, it connects us in ways words cannot express. In love, we find our strength and our vulnerability, creating a beautiful balance of trust. Embrace love in all its forms. Subscribe for more inspiration.
7 inspiring quotes to transform your perspective on life. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. Dalai Lama. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. John Lennon. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. Albert Einstein. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Dalai Lama. Embrace these quotes and transform your life today.
Profound quotes on death, reflections on mortality and life's value. To live in the hearts of those we leave behind is not to die. This quote emphasizes the enduring impact of our lives on others. Death is nature's way of telling you to slow down. It reminds us to cherish life and its fleeting moments. Life is what happens when you're busy making other plans. A reminder to live fully in the present before it's too late. The fear of death follows from the fear of life. A man who lives fully is prepared to die. This quote encourages embracing life without fear. Reflect on these quotes and cherish every moment of life.
Uplifting quotes to inspire your happiness journey. Happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. The purpose of our lives is to be happy. Embrace joy in every moment. Happiness is a direction, not a place. Focus on the journey, not the destination. The best way to cheer yourself is to try to cheer someone else up. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. Subscribe for more inspiring content. Profound quotes about sadness that resonate deeply. Sadness is but a wall between two gardens, reflecting the barriers we create. The greatest pain is often hidden behind a smile, revealing the depth of our struggles. Tears are words the heart can't express, showcasing the silent battles we face. In the depths of sorrow, we find the strength to rise again, illuminating our resilience. Join us for more inspiring content.
Inspiring quotes that illuminate our understanding of heaven. Heaven is not a place, but a state of being where love prevails and peace exists. In the words of Rumi, heaven is the heart's joy, a place of eternal bliss and connection. Heaven is where we find the essence of our souls, a realm of infinite possibilities. As C.S. Lewis said, heaven is the ultimate fulfillment of all our longings and desires. Reflect on your own understanding of heaven and its significance in your life.
Exploring the depths, profound quotes on the concept of hell. Hell represents not just punishment, but a profound exploration of the human soul's struggles. Dante Alighieri's Inferno paints hell as a complex realm reflecting our deepest fears and desires. In religious texts, hell serves as a moral compass, guiding individuals towards virtuous living. Philosophers often view hell as a metaphor for existential despair, urging self-reflection and growth. Ultimately, hell challenges us to confront our choices, shaping our understanding of morality and existence. Join the conversation and share your thoughts on hell's meaning.
Powerful quotes that challenge hate and promote love and understanding. Hate is a poison that destroys the soul, as expressed by Mahatma Gandhi. Martin Luther King Jr. reminds us that hate cannot drive out hate, only love can. Nelson Mandela said, "No one is born hating another person. Compassion is learned." Elie Wiesel emphasized that the opposite of love is not hate, it's indifference. Mother Teresa believed that spreading love is the best way to combat hatred. Join us in spreading love and understanding.
Powerful quotes that inspire resilience in the face of illness. Illness is a journey, not a destination. It teaches us the value of resilience and hope. In the depths of illness, we often discover our true strength and the power of human spirit. Every illness carries a lesson. It challenges us to redefine our understanding of health and wellness. The body may be weak, but the mind and spirit can rise above any illness with courage. Reflect on these quotes and find your strength within.
Inspiring quotes to elevate your health journey. Health is wealth reminds us that our well-being is our greatest asset in life. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live emphasizes self-care's importance. Your body hears everything your mind says highlights the connection between mental and physical health. The greatest wealth is health encourages us to prioritize our health above all material possessions. Reflect on your health journey and embrace these truths.
Transform your wealth mindset with these powerful quotes. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Epictetus, a Stoic philosopher emphasizing contentment. The goal isn't more money. The goal is living life on your terms. Chris Brogan, a digital marketing expert advocating for personal freedom. Money is a terrible master but an excellent servant. Peter E. Barnum, a showman reminding us to control our finances. The secret to wealth is simple: find a way to do more for others than anyone else does. Tony Robbins, a motivational speaker focusing on service and value. Reflect on these quotes and elevate your financial journey today.
Unleashing courage, powerful quotes about fear and growth. Fear is a powerful motivator, pushing us to take risks and embrace the unknown. As Nelson Mandela said, "I learned that courage was not the absence of fear." Reflect on your own courage. Ralph Waldo Emerson believed that fear always springs from ignorance. What fears stem from misunderstanding? J.K. Rowling reminds us, it is our choices that show what we truly are. How do your fears shape your choices? Overcoming fear can lead to personal growth. What challenges have you faced that transformed you? Join us as we conquer our fears together.